Hello, in this video we're going to cover banner management. Each banner consists of an image, title, a short summary, and a link to another resource. First we'll need to log in using our username and password. Right. Once we're logged in, we should ensure that we are in edit mode so that we can see the banner controls. If we look here under the edit page menu, we see that we are in edit mode. Mind you, if we are not in edit mode, we will not see any of the controls necessary to manage the banner or any other part of the website for that matter. Okay, once we're in edit mode, we can click manage slides to manage each slide in the banner individually. First, let's look at how to add a new slide. Now slides are displayed in order from top to bottom. So if we remember, this is our first slide, and these slides will come after. What we're going to do is add a new slide that will be displayed as the first slide. So we click add a new slide, and then we are asked to fill in the details of the slide. You're going to choose first the banner file or the banner image. Right. We have one banner image here. Right. Going to enter a title for this banner, a description, and then we enter a URL. In this case, our URL is going to be the perfume store, and click save, and there we've added our banner to the front of the list. Now let's go down to the bottom and click go to view to see the results of our addition. Now we have the banner at the front of the banner list. When we click it, we will now go to the store. We turn to the home page, and you can see that when we click next, the other banners will appear. Also, there's a small indicator to the bottom right here that will show the number of slides and where we are. Now if we notice, we would see some text is highlighted in these other banners. Right. So for instance, our banner has pure white text, as opposed to this banner which has some word highlighted in another color, and also it's spaced shortly. So for instance, here we have blue and blue, and the text doesn't go all the way across. We can now edit our banner to look like this. So let's do that. I'm going to go back to manage slides and click edit. Now when we first uploaded the banner, we were using the standard rich text editor that comes with the banner management. Right? What we can do is use the HTML editor to get more control over how our text looks in the banner. So if we click the HTML icon to the top left, we will see our perfume text, our banner text, in HTML. And what we would like to do here is add some extra information to display the colors that we would like. Right. So to display the light blue text, we have to wrap the text in a span tag. which is simply putting a less than sign, span, and then closing the text with a less than sign, span, more than sign. And putting these two elements around any bit of text will cause it to display in the highlighted blue color. We're going to do the same here with the word captivate. And finally, we would like our text to have a line break after the first sentence. And to create the line break, we're going to put less than slash more than. Right? These are simple tags and that you can learn, and knowing these things will help you edit your text efficiently throughout. If you need any assistance, please feel free. I think I would also like the word magic to be displayed in a blue, so I'm going to put the same thing here. Span, and then I'm going to close the tag off. There you go. And once I click save, I click go to view. There you go. So now we see everywhere we put our span, we now have a light blue text, right? And also the text breaks after the first line, right? Now we can also change the position of our slides in the manage slides section. So for instance, I can decide that I want this slide to display third in line. I can either click move down to move it down, or I can click move up to move another slide up. And so now we see that the slide is third in line, and if we go to the view, and now we have our slides in order. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Enjoy.